If your e-bike have a speed limit, on acceleration you can just go to 10 15 miles like that. All what you have to do, there in your controller you will find the wire, single wire, and the connector that you have to just disconnect it. Okay, because this is a speed limiter. Yeah, I just simply take out. Okay, this is remove ready. Now you see the speed. See, wow. And here you can see a, now I accelerate. See that you can get it because of the speed limiter sensor is disconnected, and you can get a full power. That is, with the pedal bikes you can get the override onto the speed control limit. Just disconnect the sensor. That's it. Perfect. Good. Good. Project is going on.